I'm Juliana from Join Jules, here with the Feed team to celebrate some British spirits with Food is Great. Now today, let's make a gin gimlet. Classic recipe, all you're gonna need is lime cordial and a delicious tasting gin. Fun fact about gin, the UK is actually the leading exporter of gin. So needless to say, there's plenty of delicious gin to go around. So for our gin gimlet, we're actually gonna be using Silent Pool gin, and we're gonna be making a homemade lime cordial.
You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water with 2.5 cups of fresh lime juice and 2 teaspoons of lime zest. We'll put this over a medium-low heat and whisk until the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, we'll set aside and let steep for at least 15 minutes. After that time, we'll strain.
In our cocktail shaker with ice, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces or 2 ounces of gin.
We've used Silent Pool here, which has notes of juniper, elderflower, and chamomile. But you could use Edinburgh Gin, Caorunn, or even Seedlip's non-alcoholic spirits in this UK-inspired recipe.
3/4 ounce of lime cordial. Shake. We're gonna grab a chilled coupe glass. We're gonna pour right into our glass. Lastly, I'm gonna garnish with a lime wheel. And there you have a classic gin gimlet. Can be perfectly paired with that Scottish smoked salmon and dill cream cheese tartine or on its own. So make sure to get the recipe on the feed.com and make sure to stay tuned for all of our videos with Food is Great for more delicious cocktails. Cheers.